I remember planning my own wedding and constantly feeling like I was forgetting something, or completely forgetting details altogether. I loved planning the event, choosing flowers, selecting my vendor team, venue touring, but the miscellaneous details were overwhelming, and it felt near impossible to think of every single thing that needed to be decided on and figured out. I didn't know that I should tell someone I wanted the top layer of my wedding cake saved for our first anniversary. I didn't think about reserving specific seats in the ceremony for people walking down the aisle. I honestly didn't know what questions to ask so that I could give answers to them. Of course, as an event planner by profession now, I know to ask all of these questions. But as a bride planning her big day, I wish there had been an app like this to guide me through the process, to prompt me with questions I wouldn't have thought of on my own, to request event information from me that I could upload right there and edit as needed, and that had the ability to easily email all my event information to all of my vendors quickly, without having to send email after email with information and updates. I originally became a wedding planner because I wanted to help people design and plan their dream weddings and not feel lost or worried or stressed while doing it. I wanted them to enjoy the planning process, not feel like they were alone through it. That's why I became a wedding planner, and that's one of the reasons I created WedAssist. I, unfortunately, can't be a wedding planner to every couple to be able to help them through the planning process, but I wanted to help more people than my one-person self physically allows. So we did the next best thing that would help me to help as many couples as possible. We created an app to walk you through the planning process. My team and I created WedAssist from our first-hand experience as former brides and as wedding professionals to walk you through every important, detailed step of the entire planning process. WedAssist features an in-depth event questionnaire, so you can collect all of your thoughts and the vision for your wedding in one place. We've included an interactive checklist that allows you to check off the status of each task as you go. The app also walks you through the information your vendors will need for event day, including vendor information, reserved ceremony seating diagrams, event layouts, a customizable personal decor list, and so much more. WedAssist also has a website version, so you can access your account from a desktop and upload documents and information right from your computer. The app creates an event file for you based on all the information you've uploaded into the app, so you're able to email your vendors directly from the app with all the information about your event. No attaching multiple documents and writing out a bunch of details in dozens of emails for you. Just select who you'd like to send information to and send it directly from the app or website. The app has also been designed to connect users with their wedding planners and day of coordinators, if you have one. If you have a wedding planner, awesome. They can join WedAssist to connect you and to help you with your progress, upload a timeline for your event, and access your event information as needed. Whether you have a wedding planner or not, WedAssist has been designed to be the most helpful asset you have throughout your planning journey. My hope is that this app will give you the tools you need to feel confident and empowered, and definitely not alone in the planning process. We hope you love the WedAssist app as much as we do. Happy planning.